So it depends on what kind of gun. Generally, we're talking about handguns right now. You have a Browning locking system, which is a tilting barrel locking system. What you need to have is a threaded barrel and also a booster called a Nielson device. And the Nielson device basically harnesses some of that gas energy and kicks, it puts energy back into it. Because if you take your gun and you hang a big weight on the end of the barrel and you try and tilt it, it's very hard to do so. So the Nielsen device kicks it back using gas pressure and allows the gun to cycle. So
Right.
really what you need is you need the silencer, a threaded barrel, and a Nielsen device. Generally, those are built in to pistol suppressors. But if you buy a suppressor that's for a submachine gun or a rifle and you just thread it on, you're going to have a bad
Probably
time.
not going to cycle. Yeah. It basically kind of disconnects the suppressor a little bit from the locking mechanism of the pistol so that it doesn't inhibit it. It's kind of
Yeah.
cool to watch.
So the other thing is, let's say you buy a silencer and you have a pistol. They do make different thread pitches. So there's half 28, there's M14, M15, there's 5/8 24. There's a bunch of different thread pitches for these to screw onto. There's also the Griffin Cam Lock, which is a great way of mounting pistol suppressors very quickly. The big problem that we have with pistol suppressors is they take a long time to thread on when they're direct thread. If you have a pistol suppressor, you will generally have pistons, and we'll have a picture of those come up here at some point. You have different pistons that may be for different handguns. So let's say you have a silencer that can handle up to a 45 ACP. You may have a piston for 45 ACP pistols.
Hmm.
You may have a different piston for 9mm pistols. You may have a different piston for 45 ACP European pistols that are metric thread. You may have different pistons, and those pistons can also have different threads inside of them, such as the Griffin Cam Lock system, which we're big fans of.